Well, thanks, Jim. I appreciate the opportunity. If we take a look at this past year, a lot has been accomplished. We've had our 97% of the government right now is in process of implementing phase 1 of CDM, which basically incorporates hardware asset management, software asset management, configuration management, and vulnerability management. So 97% of the government is in process of basically moving these type of additional capabilities into their agency infrastructures, closing a lot of the gaps that had been identified by the CIOs and CISOs by those agencies. Another key element there is what's happening with the other 3%. Right. So as part of this year, we've also are in process of putting together a shared service capability for the non-CFO Act agencies. And these are agencies ranging everywhere from 30,000 people to agencies that have more horses than cars. So it's the full gamut of agencies that can actually come into a shared service environment receiving the same capabilities of CDM that the CFO Act agencies are having, but not having as significant impact on their IT resources because of the shared service environment. Another key element also is this year, because of the OMB passback, a fourth phase of CDM had been initiated, and that's going to be focusing on data security. So we're in process this year now to start identifying what are those capabilities for phase 4, and then basically what are some of the associated tools for it. But that was driven primarily because of the President's CNAP, or Cybersecurity National Action Plan, and taking a look at high-value assets and how we need to move beyond the infrastructure to actually take a look at specifically the data security area for the high-value assets. And I think that the last piece is really our BPA that has provided a cost savings across the government because it's open to the entire government, not only those that are participating in the CDM program, but all the rest of the federal government, but also state, local, and tribal. So we're seeing a number of states now coming on board and wanting to embrace CDM and basically to put that in place. So a lot of exciting things have been happening this last year.